Hey guys, PAX Australia has come to a close, and with it, so does our coverage. But before we leave, we need to check out what our amazing friends over at Cooler Master had on display at PAX Australia 2019. Now, I know you guys love PC builds, so let's kick things off with those. A few of you guys may be familiar with the Doom Eternal PC that we made on the channel a few weeks back, and we were lucky enough to have this on display at the booth, loud and proud, turning eyes with its built-in fog machine. The system features a MSI Z390 motherboard paired up with the MSI 2080 Seahawk. Seagate also hooked us up with the storage for the system, which is all housed within the Cooler Master H500M, but this was not the only display PC at the booth. Alex from Simple Mods and Nick from Gear Seekers spent some time putting together Nick's dream PC, featuring lots of vinyl with old school skate brands. Now, the idea behind this PC was to create a PC that not only performs well, but also looks fantastic and is something that anyone could achieve if they wanted to build it for themselves. Again, the PC features MSI's latest high-end Z390 chipset with an MSI RTX GPU, Seagate drives, and all housed inside of the Cooler Master Cosmos case. Our last system is the Dragon Lore build by Ethan from Technology and Gaming. The case actually has over $1,000 worth of high-end vinyl applied to the outside to create that Dragon Lore theme. Now, I'll leave all builders' links in the description below. Have you guys ever sat inside of a gaming egg before? Well, Cooler Master had theirs on display for everyone to try out. I love the concept behind this, and Cooler Master are looking for feedback to see if this is something they should bring to the market. An all-in-one gaming pod. Cooler Master had a number of products on display, and this particular one caught my attention, the Cooler Master Master Liquid ML240p Mirage. What you see right here is the actual pump impeller at work, getting that liquid flowing throughout the loop. The design is actually owned by Cooler Master, so no other company can produce something like this. Cooler Master also had their V-Series power supplies on display, and they actually released a brand new warranty program. So if your Cooler Master power supply dies within the first 6 months of purchase, Cooler Master will not only replace the unit, but you will also get your money back guaranteed. Now, on top of the 10 years warranty that Cooler Master already offers, that just goes to show how confident they are in their new power supplies. One major peripheral Cooler Master were pushing at PAX is their brand new MM710 Ultralight gaming mouse. This mouse only weighs 53 grams, comes with a 16,000 dpi PixArt optical sensor, adjustable in real time of course, and even though the mouse is completely open with venting holes, it is completely waterproof. GG Cooler Master, GG. Lastly on the booth were the M-Wave gaming systems up for grabs with special PAX discounts. Free shipping on all systems. Feel free to check all of those out on M-Wave's website. They are very good people. Now, there were a range of other products on the Cooler Master booth, but we have covered them in previous videos, so that about does it for our Cooler Master coverage. Let me know what your favorite display piece or hardware was in the comments section below. I'll be replying to all of you guys. And remember to leave a like, consider subscribing and checking out more videos on the channel, consider becoming a channel member by hitting that join button, and if that is not for you, then of course you can consider becoming a Patreon. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.